Welcome to the club, everyone, and thanks for joining me today. Let's grab a Sharpie or a pencil. We're going to get started in the center page with a curve across the center of the nose. We'll start on the left side. Let's bend this up and then down. Now we're going to go back over towards the left side. Let's draw the bottom edge of the eye, coming down and then up towards the outside. Now I'm going to connect the outside to the inside with a large half oval. We're going to go up towards the top, round this out, and then come down. Do the same thing on the right. You want to go up to the same height, and then bend that back down towards the bottom. Let's add a thick eyelid along the top. So we're going to start from the left side of the eye, come down a little bit lower along the top curve, and then bend that down. Do the same thing on the right side. And then we want to fill the inside of the eyelid. Let's pull the iris and pupil towards the inside. So we're going to start from the left side of the eye. Draw a circle going all the way around and then in towards the bottom. And then we want to trace the eye along the inside. So drawing a smaller circle, going all the way around. Let's go to the top of the pupil, add a small circle for a highlight. And then we'll fill the bottom of the pupil in black. Along the inside of the eyes, we're going to step down and leave a small gap, add a curve for the nose. We're going to come down and then up. And I want to pull this down towards the center point. Come down from the left and then in, go up towards the right. And then on either side, we're going to add a small curve for the nostrils. Let's go to the center of the nose, draw a straight line coming down. And it'll curve the mouth, starting with the left side. Bend this down and then up. And it'll do the exact same thing on the right side. Let's add a small bracket on the end. Now in the center, we're going to add the teeth. Coming down and up. Go back to the left side. Let's bend the mouth. Coming in, right at the bottom. And then bend that up and out. And it'll fill the inside of the mouth going around that tooth. And step down, add a small curve for the lower lip. Now I want to move back up to the top and draw on the cheeks. From the outside of the left eye, I'm going to step out, curve the cheek going out, round this out, and then pull that in just underneath the lip. Go all the way around, up towards the right side, and then bend that in. Now let's draw the top of the head. Starting back on left, go straight up, round the head in the middle, go across, and then bend that back down. Now we connect this point to the corner of the eye with a curve to create a trim. Let's go to the inside of the eye and add that trim going up, around, and then out towards the outside. Let's add a thick eyebrow, starting from the outside of the head, coming in and then down towards the inside. And I'll fill the inside of the eyebrow in black. Now I'm going to go back to the eyes and add a curled lash. I'm going to start from here, then down and up. Bring that back in, and we'll fill the inside in black. And the same thing on the right. Now with the face complete, let's move up to the top of the head. We're going to add a flower over on the left side. So let's start with a half circle, going around. And we'll surround that half circle with some petals. From here, go around and then in, leaving a small gap. Just work our way around the outside. Let's add that decorative band. Starting from here, add these curves going around. Just follow the curve of the head. And then we're going to bring this down and then in towards the right side. Now the ears get folded across the top, so we're going to start right in the center. Let's fold this out and then up, round at the top, going across and then down towards the right side. And we'll bend this down and then back in. Let's layer the left ear in behind. From here, step down, curve this out, around, and then down. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw on the side of the body. We're going to start over on the left side, underneath the head, then the body going out and then down towards the waist. Go to the left side, do the same thing. Now from the hips, we're going to come in and then down towards the center point. Let's go all the way up to the top, step down, because it's up, and then down in the middle. Let's go back to the hips. We're going to draw the outside of the dress, then it's all the way out, and then down towards the bottom. Then we're going to close off the bottom with a series of curves, coming down and up, and just work our way across towards the right. Now we see the bottom edge of the feet underneath, leaving a small gap in the center. Start with the left side, then the foot coming down and up. Same thing on the right. Curves up and then in. And I'm going to separate the toes with two curves along the outside. Now I'm going to go all the way back up to the top and draw on the arms. We're going to start halfway between the chin and the hip. So starting right here, then the arm going out and then down towards the wrist. From the wrist, add a small half circle for the thumb, and then close off the end with a bracket. Now I want to add 3 fingers on either side. So we're going to start from the bottom of the thumb, come down and bend that up around that bracket. Step down towards the side, we're going to bend the second finger. And then the third finger, we're going to go all the way around, go up the arm, and then bend that in underneath the head. Let's do the exact same thing over on the right. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. That's her doll, Judy Hopps from Zootopia. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.